In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an Airbnb gift card. Now, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Airbnb account. If you're not familiar with Airbnb, it's a platform that connects guests with hosts all around the world, offering unique stays and experiences. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your main control center within Airbnb where you can manage your trips, profile, and communication with hosts. To proceed, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll spot the hamburger icon, which is essentially 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu with various options. Now, from this menu, you want to select Gift Cards. This section is where you manage everything related to Airbnb gift cards. Now, I have a little heads up for you. In some regions, gift cards might not be available. Don't worry too much if you're in a place where this feature isn't supported yet. I'll still explain the process so you're all set if it becomes available in your area. Typically, within the gift card section, you have 2 main options. You can either redeem a gift card you already have, or you can purchase a new one if you're looking to gift someone, or even just prepay for your own future travels. If you decide you want to redeem a gift card, this is where the exciting part comes in. You'll be prompted to enter a PIN. This PIN is usually found on the back of physical gift cards or in the email if you've received a digital one. Carefully enter this PIN in the space provided, ensuring accuracy to avoid any issues. Once you're confident the PIN has been entered correctly, go ahead and click the Redeem Gift Card button. Upon successfully redeeming the gift card, the amount will be added to your Airbnb balance. This balance can then be applied to any of your bookings or purchases within the platform. It's a seamless way to keep track of your budget while exploring different accommodations and experiences. And just like that, you've learned how easy it is to use an Airbnb gift card. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, comment if you have any questions or need further assistance, and subscribe for more informative guides like this one. Happy travels!